English. Well, I hope I have still enough memory for all those videos. Guys, if you try to make auto watering like that, this kind of auto watering, you see, usually in Portugal they advise you that that shit. Well, there's a filter inside, and when you put it, it works very finely. But the problem is that when there is some impurity inside the water, automatically it stop watering. And you have the old one, this one, and that's my favorite. Works for me nicely. Then the point is that yesterday I had to clean the no cleaning, adding pressure inside the balloon for the forage. Then we stop the engine, and well, we made the things, and after that the engine give us earth inside the tubes. And then after that I found all this earth inside of these things. These kind of these things I just forgot. Then this method of auto watering, you just open it, you clean what was inside, and you close up. Very easy. This one, or you change it, or you use those drill bits. Don't use the 15 1, maybe the 08. It's not 15, it's 1 6. Use the 08 to make little hole inside. And here, I don't know if you see, well, maybe Americans can confirm me, but for me it's more or less 1.5 millimeter diameter. Then these kind of bits, they you cannot use it like that. It's too tiny. Then you use a piece of wood. I don't know if you can see it here. Well, you cut it in four, and you put you drill, and after that you close it, and it's work nicely. Like, well, there's no battery, of course. And then you make a hole here. You can make mini hole even if it's really dirty, or you make a hole here just before the the biggest part here. Then the filter, it's a little bit like here. Then between the filter and this part you make a hole, and till the water is flowing like that. You fix the watering system. I see only this way to do it. Well, good luck, guys.